waking up. It's almost about to be 5 in the morning. We have to go, get ready, go to Taj Mahal. It's like the community thing. Me, my cousin brother, my brother, their family, their kids, nephew, niece, everybody. But I'm feeling very sleepy, menses. But let's get going. Join me in the journey, in the most weird vlog you will see online. There's my brother. I was speaking weirdly to him while waking up. Hello. Hello. Let's get ready. Oh, he's very beautiful. Yeah, let's get ready. So it's Azan already in the morning, and now let's get ready. I have selected a pair of kurti and a straight pant to match up the white marble of Taj Mahal. So let's get ready. But yeah, now I feel a little hopeful about it. Otherwise, I was just sleepy. And my brother is almost ready. And no, I'm not always speaking English. Yeah, we talk in some funny English and some funny Hindi, and we make it a English, and we laugh and we make jokes and we behave like kids a lot. So we are almost ready. My brother is doing his shaving and everything. So I got this dress with my mom and dad for the first time, getting a set of ethnics, like happily. And let's put on some jhumkas. And before leaving, we would remember some verses from Quran. So whatever religion you come from, always remember God before leaving house. And eat some grounding food. That is also very important because it keeps you going. In the morning, empty stomach is not something that is wise. So we will just put on. So I remember going to Taj Mahal for the first time when I was in school, probably 9th or 10th, and we were asked to make albums, photograph albums from a recent trip in a summer vacation that we had. And I remember making mine with family photographs from Taj Mahal, and I remember the temperature exactly being 50 degrees Celsius and our feet were burning. And I remember showing photographs to my friends in school. I remember sitting in the middle row showing it to my friends and seeing their photographs. So that was a good experience, but that was long back. So again in 2025, somehow I've just landed yesterday in Delhi and this plan came up. So instead of sabotaging or anything, I'm just showing up. Even with menses, even with other stuff, I think we can do it. This goes right. It does. Okay, now we will see you in the journey. Here's my beautiful brother. He's ready. And he is mute for now, but he will speak a lot after I close this video. Before we leave our home, we introduce a new practice of having a line from the book. So let's open a page with a fresh intention and see the message that it has in for us for the day. In the name of Holy Lord. So it's Surah 20, Taha, and it's speaking about the story of Moses. I would love to read it. So I would love to read the translation. So it's 2541 from Abdullah Yusuf Ali's translation and commentary. A fire. It appeared like an ordinary fire, which always betokens the presence of men in the desert or a lonely place. Moses made for it alone, to fetch the wherewithal for making a fire for his family, and perhaps to find some direction as to the way from the people he should meet there. But it was not an ordinary fire, it was a burning bush, sign of the glory of Allah. So now our story continues about the spiritual history of Moses, his spiritual birth, and his journey to Mount Sinai. So, in a parallel mystic meaning, we were selected by trials in this humble life whose valley is just as sacred and receives Allah's glory. But only if we have the insight to perceive it. So, may we find holier comfort and guidance in our journey, and may we all remain blessed. So it's almost 5 in the morning in Jamia, and I and my brother, we are walking to get an e-rickshaw. We will join you on the bus, but there's a small bag that I asked my brother to take, which he is not taking. But I understand that he also has equal, say in taking or not taking. And instead of taking the bag to all the way to the trip, I'll keep the bag's memory back in the home so that we don't bring it all the way. So we need to keep things that belongs in the past to the past. Yes.
कपल ड्राइवर ऐसे मोड़ के बैठने में मुझे ना दर्द करने लगे यहाँ
हम बैठेंगे तो मेरा पैरने पास से लगता है कि
Hi. So in the morning I said that we are going to Taj Mahal, but unfortunately it is 2nd of October, which is Gandhi Jayanti. So we all decided to have a different plan. So we had breakfast. So let me first introduce to all the lovely members of my family. First of all, this is Alia, my niece, and she is here from Madhupur. Then I have my bhabhi, Arfi bhabhi. She is also here from Madhupur, and Madhupur is just very close by to the district of Deoghar. Then we have my sweet bhabhi, Asri bhabhi, and she lives here in Delhi, Shaheen Bagh, with my lovely brother Ishan Bhaiya. And with Ishan Bhaiya, who is this little kid? He is Ayan. And Ayan, can you say hi?
हाय करो हाय करो
Please.
हाय करो
And now we have our sweet child Arman, whom I have seen when he was like 2-3 years old, and he was walking around in Madhupur home, very small. And now look how he has grown up. He looks very smart, and he has dressed up very good, black and white striped shirt, formals. So he's looking good. And here you have seen my brother. You already saw him in the morning. So he's there sitting with his thoughts and always making fun comments. And now that you have met everyone here, we have another Bhaiya, Rocky Bhaiya, who is in banking. He also lives in Madhupur, and he has come here for some of his treatments. I hope he gets well soon. And for now, okay, so our new plan is, for now we are going to Science Museum. Then we will have some food. Then we will go Venice Mall, जो कि ईशान भाई इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे आज हम लोगों को. तो फिर मिलते हैं आप लोगों से आराम से. थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंग्लिश बोल दिए. आराम से मिलते हैं, ठीक है? बाय बाय. हम हमारी तरफ से. हम लोग कहाँ गए आलिया?
नेशनल साइंस सेंटर.
और हम लोग यहाँ पर क्या एक्सप्लोर करेंगे?
यहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत सारा चीज दिखाएंगे, यूनिक थिंग्स. डायनासोर भी है और बहुत सारी चीजें आप लोग को दिखाएंगे.
ठीक है, हम लोग टिकट लेंगे और हम लोग
और अंदर जाएंगे.
साइंस की सारी चीजें देखेंगे और एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे.
बोलो.
मन नहीं लग रहा है. ये भाभी रेडी है, भाभी फोटोज लेने के लिए भी फुल रेडी है, गॉगल्स लगा के भाभी बैठी हुई है यहाँ पे। वहाँ पे सारे भैया लोग हैं, टिकट्स वगैरह ले रहे हैं। ये है मेरी भाभी फुल रेडी। और यहाँ पे है लिटिल बेबी। लिटिल बेबी, हाउ आर यू? नो, नॉट इंटरेस्टेड। आलिया ये इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, क्या करें?
इसे इंटरेस्टेड बनाते हैं भी हम लोग।
लीड्स नोवेयर।
हम लोग अंदर जा रहे हैं और देखते हैं हम लोग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहेगा।
तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखे मैजिक टैप, और आलिया को मैजिक टैप बहुत अच्छा लगा। क्यों आलिया?
क्योंकि इसमें पानी तो गिर रहा है, पर इसमें पानी का सोर्स ही नहीं, तो कहाँ से गिर रहा है? वो एक क्वेश्चन पैदा करता है।
तो everything that makes us curious about life, about science, about everything is worth pursuing. सोचने वाली बात है, इमेजिनेशन वाली बात है, क्योंकि अगर लाइफ में क्यूरियोसिटी नहीं है, होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स ही नहीं है, तो फिर आप किस लिए जी रहे हैं लाइफ? क्यों आलिया?
ये मछली हम पहली बार देख रहे हैं, और क्या आप इस मछली का नाम जानते हैं? कमेंट में बताइए।
अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे।
फर्स्ट फ्लोर देखते हैं उधर क्या होगा।
हाँ, और ये क्या था आलिया पीछे जो था एनर्जी बॉल वाला?
वो मुझे नहीं पता, आप लोग बताइए वो क्या है। तो हम लोग आ रहे हैं एग्जामिनेशन में, तो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ बहुत सारी चीज़। पुराने ज़माने के बर्तन जिसमें आदिवासी लोग सब खाना खाते थे, और ये ना बेग क्ले का बना है।
And these are old people who belong to Indus Valley civilization, which is the oldest civilization in human history.
एक बात पता है, सबसे पहला मतलब जानवर था जिसको पालतू बनाया गया था, वो डॉग है।
तो ये पता है आलिया घोड़े को कितने दांत होता है?
मुझे नहीं पता, आपको पता है?
घोड़े को होते हैं 40 दांत।
40 था।
और ह्यूमंस को?
मेंस को होता है 32।
यस, वेरी गुड। तुम्हें कितने?
मेरे को अभी मुझे उतना नहीं पता, पर बच्चे को मतलब वो उतने नहीं होते, मतलब।
अच्छा ये बताओ, तुम्हारे मिल्क टीथ चले गए?
यस।
और तुम्हारे विजडम टूथ आ गए?
यस।
नहीं, विजडम टूथ कैसे आए? वो तो मेरे भी नहीं आए हैं। ठीक है।
जो पुराने लोग यूज करते थे हंटिंग के लिए, एनिमल को हंट करने के
We are entering the miracle of human life with a little miracle. Kid, we are going to see the miracle of human biology and 3D experimentations. The miracle of human life. So mostly about the human biology. Okay. So kids are exploring different kinds of murals, wall murals. मम्मी को बोलने दो.
प्राचीन काल में पहुंच गए हैं, अद्भुत अद्भुत चीज सब देखने को मिल रहा है। ये अलग अलग प्रकार के ये सब चूल्हे सब हैं, जिसे धूप में भी यूज किया जाता है।
और यहाँ पे पुराने जड़ी बूटियों से जब दवाई बनती थी तब का है।
There are many assets which can outdo human beings in speed, endurance, and strength.
My family members having fun over something which I don't really know, but I'm curious to see. Brain to body mass ratio, BMS ratio. Oh, well that's interesting. 1.11 kg. You always say we are one. Wait. Well, I found a great mystical question that men can now play God. The mystery is not solved. But do you think men can be gods?
Yes.
No, gods are divine and man are created by God. So man cannot be God. It's said in all the religions. Do you remember? That's my elder brother doing some rope climbing on chair. Start. Yes. सारा हार्ट प्रॉब्लम सब चला जाएगा, शुगर जब आप करेंगे थोड़ी बहुत एक्सरसाइज लाइफ में। वेरी गुड।
अभी देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे कैसे कैसे पुराने ज़माने में ये बनता था, दवाई ववाई इलाज कैसे होता था। एक बच्चा को लेके हम परेशान हैं।
Good that we have these in big cities because children can experience learning like this. rather than just learning and grabbing and ranting and wrapping up things from textbooks. So these are good. These are good. I wish we had more of these in our towns. So I'll just see. Abhi doing a rope walk with her little daughter, having a good time. No more depression when we walk on ropes. All of us are enjoying food. My family, including good family, enjoying food.
बहुत मेहनत से मिला है ये,
सबसे आखिरी में को मिला है.
बहुत मेहनत से.
सब आ गया. World is a big place, and all the continents were once together, Pangea. But for now, we all are divided into worlds and borders and peoples and places. So what can we do? आ गए कहाँ है?
The Grand Venice Mall.
अब हम लोग जाएंगे अंदर.
हाँ. मेरा सेकंड टाइम है ये यहाँ पे आता.
अच्छा.
फर्स्ट टाइम मैं आया था तो बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ था मुझे, तो इसलिए मैं अपने भैया भाभी को लेकर आया हूँ सेकंड टाइम घुमाने के लिए. तो मैं आप लोग से भी गुजारिश करूँगा कि आप लोग भी आए, यहाँ का अनुभव करें. बहुत बड़ा मॉल है, अंदर स्नो जोन है, शिमला जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, गेमिंग जोन है,
और वेनिस बोटिंग भी तो है.
बोटिंग भी है यहाँ पे. नैनीताल जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
और आलिया, तुम मधुपुर से पहली बार आई, तुमको कैसा लगा?
बहुत बड़ा मॉल लगा और बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Well, it's time for a poem then. Well, some architecture, we don't know we are where, but we are heading nowhere. So maybe it is horror, maybe it is danger, maybe it is surprise. We all are curious. Well, we were lost. हम लोग खो गए थे.
हाँ.
और अब हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
टर्कीज आइसक्रीम के पास.
टर्कीज आइसक्रीम के पास. क्या कर रहे हैं? टर्किश आइसक्रीम के पास जा रहे हैं. उससे भी ग्राउंड से भी ज़्यादा ग्राउंड फ्लोर है. अभी तो यहाँ पे ये वेनिस वाला माहौल बनाया हुआ गया है जो कि लैंडस्केप को रिक्रिएट करता है. पर अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं.
इससे नीचे कहाँ है?
इससे नीचे होगा. चलो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. Well, here is an impromptu poem that comes to me while I look at the mall. The people, they come, go and buy. Every day, for some reason, one or other. It's 2nd of October, the Gandhi Jayanti, the national holiday. Still the people, the families, the friends, the mom, the daughter, the sister, everybody is here. Some lights designed in the shape of Venice in the city of Italy. Here in India, because we live in a globalized world. Well, my thoughts will keep on going and going, just like these people who are walking and walking. But we all are here on this earth celebrating every small joy, every small thing with deep gratitude in our hearts, because we all love our family, and above everything, we all love our own heart and our own divine Lord. Thank you so much, God, for everything, and may we all remain blessed. And everybody who has watched in, tuned in to a funny vlog today, starting from Taj Mahal, but then going to science exhibition, and then coming to this Venice mall to just observe and just be here and enjoy with family, walk around. That's all we have, right? Spending the time with people we love and eating good food and doing our work diligently. Whether we are student, we are teacher, we are a working professional, whether we are a gym trainer or anything, be it anything. That's all we have. Love and light. Bye bye. And also see once more my angel. Yes. The future angel who will grow up to be something that we don't know yet.